Okay, so this video is going to talk to you about printing problems. I sometimes get questions or I see things printed, and sometimes it's just a setting that you need to do on your computer. So I'm going to show you. Again, I'm going to take you back to the Teachers Pay Teachers. There's this help button. So go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see why, what if my file isn't printing correctly. Sometimes what I see is it looks great on your screen, but then when you go to print it out, the print copy has like a black background instead of a white background, or the pictures don't, or the words don't look right. Sometimes that has to do with your printer settings. So you may have a printer that has an old software. You might need to update your software on your printer. Oftentimes that takes care of the problem. Some other problems are having to do with the differences between a Mac and a PC. So what always seems to work the best is opening it in the Adobe Acrobat Reader. That's hard for me to say. I'm going to say it again. Adobe Acrobat Reader. So that's the way that you want to open the file. With other programs, like the Mac programs, the default for PDF Reader is Preview. So when you hover over that file, you're going to want to open as Adobe. And then here is some great tips as well on getting that to print correctly. So if you go down, you can actually print that as an image. You can also change the image sizes in this printer setting, which makes it really nice. So if you want to have like 2 to a page, or you want to have 3 to a page or 5 to a page, you can do that. It's really helpful if you have a large file, but you don't have a lot of wall space and you want to shrink those down. Sometimes you can, instead of having a full sheet anchor chart, you can shrink it down to half the size. And that way you can just control the size on your own. Anyhow, hopefully that helps you on some printing issues. So again, make sure that you're opening it in Adobe. And then if you need to, you can always print it as an image if your printer is giving you a tough time. All right, that's everything I know about images and printing.